Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Iqra English School. I hope you all are very fit and fine. This is your class 4th NCERT EVS book Looking Around, and today we are going to read the chapter number 10, Huttutu Huttutu. You know the meaning of this word? Now look at this picture. Now, something have you remind? Yes, this is the game of Kabaddi. The girls are playing Kabaddi. This is also called Huttutu. So before start the chapter, let me tell you the rules of this game. You know that in this game there are two teams, and each team has the 12 players. The 7 players play at a time, and the 5 players are reserved. In case of any problem with any player, the reserved player take the place of that player. The next rule is, in one time one player is to go to the opposite team, and he is to say kabaddi kabaddi continuously. He is to touch an opponent player without taking breath and come safe. If he touches any player of opposite team and come back safe, then the player of the opposite team get out. The next is, if all the players try to catch and stop him, and they stop him to touch the line in the center, and he could not touch the line, then he will get out. If all the players try to catch him and stop him, and he touches the line in the center, then all the players of the opposite team will be out. And here the player is to be very careful when he reaches in the part of the opposite time, or you can say when he cross the line in the center. He is to take the breath. He is to hold his breath until he come back, and he is to come safe after touching an opponent player. Now let's start the chapter. You are watching, there is a girl. She has come in the opposite team, and all the players of the opposite team are trying to catch her. Huttutu, 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 huttutu. Out, out. All the girls on one side shouted loudly, Huttutu, 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 hold from here. Huttutu, huttutu, hold from the leg, hold her leg. Huttutu, huttutu. Vasudha, you come here. You hold her from here. Hey, make sure that Shamla's hand does not touch the line. Hold her hand. Huttutu, huttutu. Oh, she has touched it. Out, out, out. Oh, all out. Your team is all out. What happened here? This is a girl whose name is Shamla. She has come into the opposite team. All the girls are trying to catch her. Some are catching her from her legs, some are catching her from her hands, and they are trying that she should not touch the line in the center. But what happened? She touched the line, and all the girls became all out. As you are watching here, the girls of the opposite team are trying to stop her from touching the line. What are these girls doing? They are shouting out, out, out. It is clear that they are playing a game. What do you call this game? Cheduguddu, Huttutu, Chukitkit, Hadudu, or Kabaddi, or something else? When 6 girls surrounded Shamla and caught her, everyone thought that she was out. Somebody caught her legs and somebody her arms, while one girl caught her by the waist. But Shamla was not the one to give up. She dragged herself and managed to touch the line in the center. What happened with Shamla? When she went into the opposite team, all the 6 girls surrounded Shamla and they caught her from her leg, from her arms, and one girl caught her waist too. But Shamla was not there to give up. She dragged herself and managed to touch the line in the center. When Shamla touched the line, all the girls of the opposite team were holding her, so all of them got out. But Rosie argued that Shamla had taken a breath in between, so the team was not out. Shamla insisted that this was not true. She said that if she had taken a breath, Why did the girls keep holding her? There was a big argument. Finally, Shamla won. When Shamla touched the line, all the girls of the opposite team were all out. But the girl of the opposite team, whose name was Rosie, started to argue with Shamla. She was telling that she has taken a breath in between, but Shamla said if she had taken the breath, then why the other girls were holding her? Then they should leave her. It was a big argument, but finally Shamla won. She won the game. Some questions are here. When you play kabaddi, how many players do you have in a team? So answer is the kabaddi team has 12 players. How many players got out when Shamla touched the line? 6 players had surrounded Shamla, so all of them got out. Do you have ways to resolve this dispute in games? The answer is yes. We always listen to our sport teacher to resolve dispute in game. The game of kabaddi. So this is what a game of kabaddi is like. Pushing and pulling, screaming and shouting, dragging and falling on the ground. It is a rough game, yet it has many rules. It is said that the game is very rough because in this game there is so much pushing and pulling, screaming and shouting, dragging and falling on the ground, but yet the game has so many rules too. It is a lot of fun and lots of exercise, holding your breath while running and continuously saying kabaddi kabaddi, and also trying to touch the players of the opposite team. So many things to do in kabaddi. Yes, you can do this as long as you can hold your breath. You need to use both your body and mind in this game. You have to use your strength to pull and stop the players. At the same time, you have to think about how to enter the other side. You have to decide whom to touch quickly and come back. If you get caught, then how do you reach the line in the center? What does it mean to be out in game? When does one get out in kabaddi? If he loses breath, if he is stopped by the opposition player while on his move. In some game, it is very important to touch the players. For example, in the game of Kho, you get out when someone touches you. You also get your turn by someone's touch. Name some games in which it is very important to touch the player. So you can say in arm wrestling, hide and seek, and pakdam pakdai, the touching is very important. The touching the players is very important. In kabaddi, the entire team was out because Shamla had touched the line. What are the some other games in which the central line is very important? So you can say that in cricket, football and hockey, the central line is very important. What are the game in which beside the player you have to touch some things or color? So you can say the game name is color which color. In this game you are to touch the color that you are to say to touch. Here this is a woman wrestler this is a woman weightlifter, that's name is Kannam Malleshwari. Have you seen or read about her in the newspaper? Kannam Malleshwari is a weightlifter. She lives in Andhra Pradesh. Her father is a police constable. Malleshwari started lifting weight when she was 12 years old. Now she can lift the weight of 130 kg. Kannam has won 29 medals in international events. Her 4 sisters also practice weight lifting. So now let's know about some more women sportsperson who had made India proud by winning medals on international level. So first is Subraman Vijayalakshmi. She is a world class chess champion. Number 2 is Mary Kom. She is an Indian Olympic boxer from Manipur. She is a boxing champion. Sania Mirza. She is number 1 tennis player. Saina Nehwal is the world's number 1 badminton player, and Mithai Durai Raj is the captain of the Indian women's cricket team. This was the chapter explanation of the chapter number 10. Write and learn whatever I have written in the chapter, in the explanation. So write and learn properly for your examination.